In this video, you will learn how to replace your old sprinkler controller with a smart controller. Here, you have a smart controller. Smart controllers are also known as weather-based irrigation controllers. Make sure to have some tools ready in case you need them. Here is the existing sprinkler controller. The new smart controller will go exactly in the same spot. Remove the cover or plate on the controller to expose the sprinkle station wires. Here are the station wires usually found in different colors. The white wire is called the common wire, usually marked COM on the controller. The other colored wires are the station wires, marked sequentially on the controller. Before disconnecting your wires, make sure to label them by using pre-made numbered labels, or you can make your own. Now, disconnect the common wire first. Then disconnect the station wires in order, and make sure to label them. As you can see, each wire has no label in the order they were removed from 1 through 4. Now, disconnect the power supply, and remove the controller from the wall. To mount the new smart controller, make sure you mark where the new screws or mounting plate will go. Make sure to mount it securely. Now, connect your existing wires back in the corresponding places. Common wire to COM, Station 1 to 1, Station 2 to 2, and so on. Place the cover on your new controller. Test it to make sure it works. Download the app to program your controller. I hope this video was helpful in demonstrating how to replace your old sprinkler controller with a smart controller.